What is going on, everyone? I am Mike. Welcome back to Tech 24/7 TV. I am so excited to have you back here today. We are unboxing Apple's leather iPhone wallet. This is going to be in California Poppy. Now, this is really a great color here, but this is Apple's MagSafe wallet that attaches to the back of your iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, Pro Max, and more specifically, I'm taking a look at whether or not it's a suitable everyday carry replacement for the Bellroy card sleeve. They both come in at $60. Let's get right into the unboxing. This is the MagSafe wallet that attaches to the back of your iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, Pro Max, and let's just go ahead and carry your cards here. Now this is iPhone 12 Pro, just for reference here. Now let's go ahead and open this up. Now we see here, this is, it's got that yellowish brown color, which to me, I am quite a fan of. From my experience, Apple really does make some fantastic leather products, including obviously their leather cases, the leather sleeves that they have for their iPads, even the leather sleeve that you see for their Macs. But this is probably, say, that like the culmination or maybe the pinnacle of their leather products. So this is very soft, very supple. It says it's all natural leather. Now, this leather wallet is supposed to be shielded, meaning that if you put your cards in here, it should not demagnetize them. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like here on the iPhone 12 Pro. Super strong magnet. See, now the phone recognizes that there's something being attached to it. That would be cool like if it came up with a color like it does for the cases, but it does not. Now, this is pretty strong. I am shaking it pretty hard, and this is not coming off. If you do go ahead and slide it, obviously it's going to come off. You hear that noise coming. But this is on there quite thoroughly. Let's see how many cards we can go ahead and put in it. I already have a slim wallet, but that slim wallet is from Bellroy, and I've probably had it for about 5 years now. It's definitely had its run its course, and it's very well worn. You could see that here. In terms of size, this is a little bit smaller here. This holds, I'd say, about 7 or 8 cards. Holds a SIM card ejector tool, and it's got a little thing back here for, I would say, cash. Now, obviously, this is definitely bigger than the Apple wallet or the Apple version of the wallet, but I know I won't necessarily get the same sleeve. This is, I would say, this is more for maybe going out with a certain number of cards. I am not the type of person who is going to carry every single card with me in the world. I'm someone who's going to carry a few cards, maybe 6, maybe 7, depending on what I'm doing. But then if I need something else, I'm usually going to go ahead and have that at home, and I would just switch out the cards as I need to. So I would say I'm more of a minimalist when it comes to carrying the number of cards with me. I don't carry my store-bought cards or any of my frequent filer cards. All that stuff is kept with me or kept somewhere else. Now, this has this little cutout or pass-through here on the back where you go ahead and push up on your card, and it slides up. Let's try that again here just to get an idea of the level of difficulty. Yeah, so that's actually very easy if you're doing it this way. And as you use it, it's going to get a little bit more wear and tear, and a little bit more, it's going to come across more easily. Now, this is all soft touch leather. This feels actually really, really nice. This stitching is actually quite nice. This is all painted edge, which you could see here. Now, what would happen is over time that this painted edge would kind of wear down. But if you're used to Apple's leather products, you're going to see that their leather products wear very well over time. And wow, this is really, really soft. I wish you could touch it because it's just quite that soft. Now, at the end of the day, the iPhone card sleeve with MagSafe is, I'd say, it's relatively the same price. It's $60, much like the Bellroy card sleeve is $60. This is really, I think, designed for someone who is looking for a simple way of carrying small amounts of identification, credit cards, whatever the case is, with their iPhone to minimize, obviously, what they're carrying. Now, like I said during the video, this is something where I would have, my credit card, maybe 2 credit cards and some identification in here because there's a 3-card max with the cards that I'm using. And I would find ways to cycle through other cards that I might need, but not necessarily on an everyday basis, in another part of maybe my carry, whether it's in my car, whatever the case is. Now, at $60, the iPhone MagSafe wallet is, I would say, it's a reasonable buy if you're looking for something that has, a minimal amount of cards that you'll be able to carry. It has good design. It's well made. The iPhone MagSafe wallet, obviously, if you have an iPhone 2, that's going to give you the most benefit. From my perspective, the one thing that is missing, or at least is not available yet, is the ability to go ahead and track your wallet. Apple does have a Find My service, and this does not have the ability to go ahead and find it today, because that's probably the most, I would say, simple use case. If you have your phone in your wallet, you lose your phone, and your wallet are separated, you have no way of tracking down your wallet. But other than that, $60, I like it. I am going to keep it. It is going to go into my everyday carry. I'll cycle through it for a couple months and see how it works. But let me know what questions you have about this in the comments below. Now, I am Mike. This is Tech 24/7 TV. I'll talk to you in the next one.